So guys, before you go, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now we'll do a quick analysis for the week on our pound odd. As we can see, we are going to highlight it as a support and resistance I've marked. I will be taking it as our support area, and also be taking this up here as our resistance area. And on our daily time frame, our price is actually ranging. So definitely one thing is trade what you see and not what you think. That is one rule in trading. If you want to be a successful trader, you trade what you are seeing and not what you think. So what we are seeing is that our price is ranging. Definitely we would want to be ranging with it. And one thing I've known is that there's every possibility that our pound will actually push up, hit our resistance area, then actually now see a fall. Exactly what I am seeing. Why the thing is that we might not probably see a much bullish move when we are going up on our pound odd. Why is that? Our odd is actually going bullish this week. Now our pound is actually going bullish this week. So that is why don't think we'd see a good movement upward this week. Probably 155 pips for this week. This pair is volatile, so no, it's 155 pips for this week. I don't think it will move that much since our odd is actually going. But when we actually hit this our resistance level, then our pound would be dropping, right? Our pound would be dropping, and since our pound would be dropping and our odd will still be going bullish this week, then definitely we would be seeing a massive fall on our pound odd. Exactly what I'm seeing, our price will probably be playing out, push up, hit our resistance level, then see a massive fall on our pound odd. So our pound will actually be going bullish, by the way, but very rarely. Then before we actually see a fall, as we can see on our pound index, we are seeing a good amount of fall. But before that, I think our pound will still go bullish, by the way. Still go bullish at least to about 100 plus pips. Then actually now see that fall, huge fall, as you can see, as our pound is actually ranging downward. So we would want to see our pound push up a little bit, then a fall. That is exactly what we'll be seeing on our pound odd. A bullish move on our pound against our odd, then a massive fall for this week. So let's see how our price plays out and exactly how we trade it. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.